effort defensively last game with how they played tonight. At isa pa rito, yung second unit mo was able to produce over 46 points versus just 6 points yung huli ninyong laro. Ano po yung assessment nyo sa performance ng players at sa kung paano sila nag-respond sa mga adjustments nyo tonight?
I think it's very obvious, from 6 points to 46 points, and that's a lot. And usually, we're relying on our bench, because our bench can be a starter, but they have to know that every player is very important. But what is noticeable is the defense of our team, although very physical in the first quarter, because they played a good defensive a game against us in Phoenix in the first quarter, and we were surprised. But because of they are well motivated to win because of that loss against Talk and Text, and then there's no other way for us just to win. Dahil if we will lose, we will be dropped to number 8, and then now. On our win, siguro we'll be at number 3 and still on track on the top 4.
Thank you, Coach. Now, gone from no points at all last game to a conference high night para sa'yo. Paano mo tinake advantage yung mga opportunity na nakita mo sa loob ng court kanina na nakatulong din sa'yo to bounce back after being scoreless nung yung laro?
Just like I said kanina, just play hard. Kailangan namin mag-step up pag struggle yung first group. So the mindset is just to win. We can't afford to lose back-to-back games kasi yun nga, yung standing is dikit-dikit. So pag natalo kami, babagsak kami. So the mindset is just to win.
Now we open the floor to our friends from the press.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yun na, 0 points ka last game. Ngayon ba, during preparation mo, may motivated ka ba? May special instruction to say coaches not to bounce back today?
Yun nga, bad game ako last game, so sobrang eager ko to bounce back ngayong game na to, and nakuha ko naman.
Coach, yun na, yung second unit mo, yung laro tonight, how important is that moving forward, especially perception nga sa atin yun, nalalim mo yung everyone can start and then.
Yeah, that's one of the thing now we have to. It's a challenge for us because every team talagang they're always prepared for us, and then but every team is capable of beating us, although we can beat them all, but yun the problem. Hindi kami pwede mag-relax because the game is always on the line for any team, especially in the next few games. Scramble ito sa middle, and we're lucky to win tonight against Phoenix dahil katulad sinabi ko, siguro bababa kami sa number 8 kung natalo kami. And then now, I'm sure with number 3 ko, sino man makatay namin. And I think this is a good motivation for the team, dahil alam nila what is important of this game. And besides, after losing to Talk and Text, I know from their eyes, they want to bounce back. That's why in the first quarter, talagang mahirap, struggling kami. But because of the motivation na they want to win, because they know the importance of that game.
Ba't ka ba off-night nung last game?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Ano lang, siguro I'm not playing hard. So, yeah, that's it.
Procedure ba hindi mo ginamit ng second quarter mapa?
Yeah, that's right, because yung second group, they perform well, and then Junmar mismo nagsabi sa akin, Coach, patapusin mo na kay Mo yung second quarter dahil maganda naman and it's a good incentive and motivation para kay Mo because in the past talagang limited yung playing time niya So mabuti lang, maganda yung laro niya to extend his playing time. And then he played well on defense, especially guarding the big man of Phoenix, which is very agile, and that's one of weakness ni Jun Marcia in atake. But with Mo, that's the reason why lumaki yung lamang namin ng second quarter.
Coach, kung game nyo today is the start of, kasi parang next 3, after this 2 weeks, so Sunday lagi din, therapy mo yung Blackwater na nasa ilalim. How, siyempre, perception, easy pa yun sa inyo, but how important is na matawin nyo to go to this home stretch ng eliminations?
Yeah, that's very important dahil next game is Terra Firma and Blackwater. But as I said, any team can beat us naman if we will not perform well. Especially ito Blackwater. And Terra Firma, every game, makikita naman natin in the first half, talagang they are very competitive. But because of the depth of the bench, medyo natatalo sila. And that's what we want to do, guys. We have to be consistent, especially yung off the bench namin, because in the first 4 games namin, bench really help a lot And those 3 wins namin, yung bench talaga masasabi kong best player of the game.
That's it for our post-game press conference. Congratulations, champion.
Thank you.
Thank you.